Hi students. Penny Lane is in the original key here, and at first glance these are all new appearing chords, especially these first six. Now the B we've looked at in the past. The B I would play, as the B flat, except it's on the second fret. It's the B is. And by the way, the note you begin singing Penny Lane is an F sharp. It's the second fret of the E string. In Penny Lane there is a barber putting photographs of every head he's had the pleasure to know, and the people that come and go stop and say hello. Now that last bit there was extremely easy to play, and it was of every, so you have B, head, he's had the pleasure to know. Now B minor seventh, I like using my ring finger, this finger for barring. Then you play a B minor 7, so you put your first finger here, you slide the ring finger to expose the G string. Come and go. So you have B natural, behind his back, and the people that come and go stop and say hello. And that's the F sharp. Now once again, I covered all 4 strings. Then I slid it open and put 1 there. Then I released the first, and you have that transition. Great McCartney harmony. So let's look at that. That's the F sharp right here. In Penny Lane there is a barber showing photographs, and I would use my ring finger to bar all the strings on the 4th fret. And then I would go to the F sharp. Now the F sharp, they still almost looks like it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, but that's not easy to finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, mainly because you may not have a long 4th finger. It would be something like this. A better way would be to hold the first finger down with a thumb very tight against it on those first 3 strings. Then you add the second for the E string, the 2nd fret, and your ring finger naturally. So, on the corner is a barber, da, da, da. Ooh, da, 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 da. And the people that come and go stop and say hello. So not easy. It'll take a good amount of woodshedding, and then the actual the chorus is not that hard at all. Penny Lane is in my ears and in my eyes. Ba 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 ba. There beneath the Penny Lane. So we'll work on that in class, and especially these 5 chords, which are definitely new to our little lexicon of chords. Not so much the B or the E or the A or the D, but this one, that means 4th fret, and then this one and the others. All right, have fun with that.